guys, this is LiquidOcelot and I'm back for you guys. A lot of people have been asking me how to make trending topics based videos on YouTube. So I'm going to be showing you today how to make YouTube videos based on trending topics. I have a free resource for you guys which is called trends.google.com, and here I'm going to show you. I'm going to on the main page I have selected USA from the top right hand side corner of the web page, and here I'm going to write how to. So this is coming up as a topic as well as a search term. I'm going to click it, and now I'm going to go over here which says web search. I'm going to choose YouTube search, and here I can see from the past 12 months which topics are very viral. So how to make a face mask, obviously because of the current situation, how to get Deadpool in Fortnite, how to V-Bucks and some Minecraft scrunchies, hand sanitizer, how to transfer data from iPhone to iPhone. So these are all the topics, my friend. In the related queries, we can also hit this past 12 months and go to the past hour. So we have some related queries, how to draw, stuff like that. Now I am going to write over here Android games. So I'm going to click search term, and past 24 hours I'm going to choose YouTube search, and I'm not getting any search results for this, so I am going to choose Valorant, and you can see obviously how to get beta key for Valorant. Yes, tips and tricks, montage, all of the topics are over here and you can just pick them up. So my advice to you would be to go for categories, main categories of YouTube, like education. You can go for education, you can go for entertainment, you can go for WWE, sports if you are in basketball, so you can search for that as well. Any topics that are related to your YouTube channel, you can just put it over here and you will get the related search queries, and through this you can get lots and lots of traffic. So I hope you liked and enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below what you guys think, and if you have a better suggestion, free resource available, also let me know in the comment section, guys. I'm looking forward to seeing your comments. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be signing out. Take care.